Here's how we can stop the autofocus on an iPad camera. Let me show you what things are available. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you open up your camera app on the iPad, you'll notice that whenever you point at the camera at, it will be automatically in focus because the autofocus is the default part of the iPad camera, right? So you can disable it by holding down or like at first click on a subject to focus on that, then hold it down on it, and the focus as well as the exposure will be locked on that place. So you can introduce more objects into the scene or move your camera away. It will stay focused and exposed at that chosen level. Or you can also explore some third-party camera apps. For example, the Blackmagic camera is a great solution because that one also has more features than the built-in camera app, and the manual focus is present there, so you can switch from the automatic to fully manual approach. So that is something you can do. If you by any chance meant the autofocus for the built-in FaceTime camera during video calls, that is a different thing. It's a feature called the center stage, and you can find it when you're making a FaceTime call. When you tap on your camera and go to the effects, and you can enable or disable the camera center stage feature, which is focusing on your face and moving it around at the frame. So that is also something which you might have in mind. So I would really appreciate your feedback below to let me know if we managed to find and fix the thing on your iPad. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.